10 mysterious facts about our planet Earth. Planet Earth, the shiny blue marble that has fascinated humanity since they first began to walk across its surface. And why should not it fascinate us? In addition to being our home and the place where life as we know it originated, it remains the only place we know of where life thrives. And over the course of the past few centuries, we have learned much about Earth, which has only deepened our fascination with it. But how much does the average person really know about planet Earth? You have lived on planet Earth all your life, but how much do you really know about the ground underneath your feet? You probably have lots of interesting facts rattling around in your brain. But here are 10 most interesting facts about Earth that you may or may not know. Number 1. Earth is not flat, but it's not perfectly round either. Earth has never been perfectly round. The planet bulges around the equator by an extra 0.3% because it rotates about its axis. Earth's diameter from North to South Pole is 12,714 kilometers, while through the equator it is 12,756 kilometers. The difference, 42.78 kilometers, is about 1 per 300th diameter of Earth. This variation is too tiny to be seen in pictures of Earth from space. So, the planet appears too round to the eye of human. The days are getting longer. The length of Earth's day is increasing. When Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly 6 hours long. By 620 million years ago, this had increased to 21.9 hours. Today, the average day is 24 hours long, but it's increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason? The moon is slowing down Earth's rotation through the tides that it helps create. The driest place on Earth. Ironically, the driest place in the world, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is next to the biggest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. Average annual rainfall in Arica, Chile, is just 0.8 millimeters. It is believed that Atacama's Calama city saw no rain for 400 years until a sudden storm fell in 1972. Earth's gravity isn't uniform. If Earth were a perfect sphere, its gravitational field would be the same everywhere. But the planet's surface is bumpy and water flow, ice drift, and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all change the pull of gravity. These variations are known as gravity anomalies. Our sun has a voracious appetite. All stars, like our sun, age and eventually die. As the sun exhausts its supplies of hydrogen, it will collapse under gravity, ultimately ballooning into a red giant that is 100 times bigger and 2,000 times more luminous. Vaporizing Earth is the process. 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. When astronauts first went into space, they looked back on the Earth with human eye for the first time. Based on their observations, the Earth acquired the nickname the Blue Planet. And it's no surprise, seeing as how 70% of our planet is covered with oceans, the remaining 30% is the solid crust that is located above sea level, hence why it is called the continental crust. A year on Earth isn't 365 days. It's 365.2564 days. It's this extra 0.2564 days that creates the need for a leap year once every 4 years. That's why we tack on an extra day in February every 4 years. 2004, 2008, 2012, etc. The exception to this rule is if the year in question is divisible by 100, 1900, 2100, etc. Unless it is divisible by 400, 1600, and 2000 extra. Earth is the only planet known to have life. We have discovered past evidence of water and organic molecules on Mars and the building blocks of life on Saturn's moon, Titan. We can see amino acids in nebulae in deep space, and scientists have speculated about the possible existence of life beneath the icy crust of Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moons Titan. But Earth is the only place life has been discovered. Earth is billions of years old. Researchers calculate the age of the Earth by dating both the oldest rocks on the planet and meteorites that have been discovered on Earth. Their findings? Earth is about 5.4 billion years old, according to the National Center for Science Education. The planet is recycled. The ground you're walking on is recycled. Earth's rock cycle transforms igneous rocks to sedimentary rocks to metamorphic rocks and back again.